Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Race 2 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the widget menu on this watch. So first, let me show you how to open the widget menu and how it looks like. To do it, we need to wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the upper button. Then, once you see the home screen, the current watch face, you can swipe up on it, and here we have the widget menu. And you have different widgets like control panel, logbook, timer, notifications, heart rate, blood oxygen, resources, and stuff like that. And you can edit this menu a bit. You can basically remove or turn off the widgets and turn them on. To do that, we need to press and hold the Chrome button to open the settings. Here you need to select the customize and then find the option called widgets and tap on it. And here, as you can see, we have the list of widgets and we can turn them on and off. So let's say I turn off all of them, maybe not all of them, but most of them. Let's leave the notifications, weather. Let's leave the blood oxygen as well. Timer I don't care about. Logbook might stay. And I will also leave the media control. And now when I go back and open the widget panel, there should be gone. So most of them should be gone, as you can see. You can also tap on customize here at the bottom of this menu and then select the widgets if you want to do it this way. And let's turn on the timer just for example, and it should be back on the menu. And it is. And that's basically how you customize or change the widget menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.